Hey, what's up guys? As you can see, we are on to another topic, and today's topic is going to be on PPC launch strategy. As I mentioned you earlier guys, if you are doing a launch, then you have to set your price below your profit point and at bottom guys. What PPC campaign actually is, it's pay per click. It's pay per click campaign guys, and there are two types of targeting. One is automatic targeting and second one is manual targeting. So what you have to do is guys, if you have a brand new product, then you have to do automatic targeting, and if you have already sold that product on Amazon and you want to relaunch that different version of that product, then you can do manual targeting for that guys. So let me show you what this PPC launch strategy will actually look like. Firstly, what you have to do is you have to sign in to your Seller Central, log into your Seller Central account, and as you log into your Seller Central account, you have to come to advertising and then campaign manager. So as you click on campaign manager, this page will pop up, and as you can see, you firstly we see here it's create campaign tab, and in the create campaign tab, firstly we have to do is we have to set a name for our campaign. So what I want to do is, as I mentioned you earlier, I'm using ultrasonic pest repeller as an example, so I'll put that product's name. And as you set your product's name, second what you have to do is you can leave this portfolio button, and what you can do is you can set an end date till when you want to do your product PPC campaign. Usually what I recommend is, if you are launching a brand new product, then I recommend you doing for 10 days guys, for at least 10 days. So I like to keep this button for to no end date, but for now let me show you guys example. Let's assume we are doing it for 10 days, and you can set your budget as per your budget, but if you are launching a new product, then I recommend you choose at least 50. And what you have to do when launching a brand new product, and if you're a beginner, then you have to choose automatic targeting, and you have to run this automatic targeting PPC campaign for at least 10 days, and after finishing we can do manual targeting and all. And as we come down here, as you can see, there are three types of bidding strategy, and the first one is dynamic bidding. What dynamic bidding actually is, if your sales are less likely to convert to a sale, then Amazon will automatically lower your price. And dynamic bids, this is dynamic bids down only, and this is dynamic bids up and down. And what up and down is, if your product is likely to convert to a sale, then Amazon will automatically higher price, and if it's less likely to convert to a sale, then they will lower your price. And what fixed bid is that, if you set your bid for $1, then Amazon will keep your bid for only $1. They won't raise your price if it's less likely, if it's likely to convert to a sale, and it won't lower your price if it's less likely to convert to a sale. So as we come down, and remember we have to choose automatic targeting for our new launch, and we have to keep dynamic bids. And as we come down, you have to create an ad group. What this actually is, you can you have to create just a name for your ad, your PPC campaign. And what I usually like to do is, I like to, if our product is ultrasonic pest repeller, I like to do UPR, ultrasonic pest repeller. So as you can see, you have to create this just UPR. You don't have to mess up with this. And as we come down here, what you have to do is you have to add your product here, guys. And as you search your product, for example, if your product is safety cabinet lock, then search safety cabinet lock, then Amazon will show your product here. And what you have to do is you have to add those products and it will show here, guys. And once you add your product, your brand new product that you want to launch, you have to scroll down after adding a product, and you will come here on the automatic targeting. What Amazon will do is they will suggest a bid for you, and you have to what you have to do is, if Amazon is suggesting you 0.75 cents, then what you have to do is you have to raise your price little by 20 cents, guys. So what I like to do is, Amazon is suggesting us 75, I will do 95. You have to raise your price little by 20 to 30 cents, guys, as Amazon suggests you from the price that Amazon suggests you. And nextly, you have to leave this button for now, and for negative keyword targeting you also have to leave this button for now. And after you finish all this thing, then what you have to do is you have to create on launch campaign. So what after you click on the launch campaign, what Amazon will do is Amazon will review your campaign for 1 to 2 hours, and after that your PPC campaign will be able to go live on Amazon and for your product, guys. So this way you can do Amazon PPC campaign, this automatic targeting. And guys, one thing to keep in mind is after you finish targeting your product for 10 days that we use as now that I mentioned to you, after you do automatic targeting for 10 days, what you have to do is then you can go for you can continue with automatic targeting, or else you can go with manual targeting, guys. If you want to do manual targeting, then what you have to do is you have to go on reports, and you have to go on advertising reports. And as you come to advertising reports, guys, you can see Amazon will give you reports of your past PPC campaign. And what you have to do is you have to download your 10 days PPC campaign report. And after you download your advertising reports, guys, Amazon will give you that report in Excel sheet, and you have to see there and look which products, which keyword ranks well, and you have to next after doing next manual targeting, you have to choose which keywords ranks well, and you have to put that keyword in your manual targeting and run that manual targeting PPC campaign, guys. So that way you can do your manual targeting PPC campaign. And guys, what I mean by doing a manual targeting is, let me show you guys. As we did automatic targeting for 10 days, and after doing automatic targeting and getting reports, advertising reports from this reports tab, and after downloading that Excel sheet, what you have to do is you have to choose and separate keywords that got sales on this 10-day period. Remember, what you have to do is you have to copy those keywords that got sales on this 10-day period, 10-day automatic targeting period. And after separating those keywords that got sales on this 10 days, what you have to do is we have to create a manual targeting. As we come and you can see, the process is same. We have to create a campaign, and as we come here on this tab, you can name it ultrasonic pest repeller 2. And as we scroll down, previously we were doing automatic targeting. Now what we have to do is we will do manual targeting. And guys, as we scroll down, we will come here to this keyword targeting tab, and what you have to do is you have to put those keywords that we extracted from our advertising report, the keywords that we got sale from. So for example, for this 10 days period, let's assume I got sale from ultrasonic repeller, ultrasonic repeller. And let's add this keyword. Let's add ultrasonic repeller for now, and you had to click on this add keywords. And as you can see guys, it gets added here, and you may be thinking what this broad phrase and exact is. Then exact refers to, guys, if you are targeting ultrasonic repeller, and then if you choose only exact, then Amazon will show listings on only ultrasonic repeller. And if you add phrase also, then what Amazon will do is ultrasonic repeller outdoor, or ultrasonic repeller indoor. And if you type broad, then what Amazon will do is they will promote your product on keywords like ultrasonic repeller for pest indoor, or ultrasonic repeller for pest outdoor, something like that, guys. So if you want to rank, if you want to advertise only ultrasonic repeller, then you have to choose only exact. And if you want to rank through ultrasonic repeller indoor or ultrasonic repeller outdoor, then you have to choose phrase. And if you want to advertise ultrasonic pest repeller long keyword, then you can choose broad. You can get here as you can see here what those broad phrase and exact refers to. And after you add your keywords here, guys, and after we add all those keywords that we got sale from those 10 days period automatic campaign, now what we will do is, guys, we will come down and launch our product, guys. We will click on the launch campaign, and as per our previous automatic campaign, this also will go live after 1 to 2 hours after we launch our campaign. So guys, hope you got example on how PPC launch strategy actually works while launching your product, and how you can launch after certain days and so on, guys.